English for the cafe. Let's go. Menu. Menu. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? Take away. Take away. To go. To go. I'd like a coffee to go, please. I'd like a coffee to go, please. Dine in. Dine in. Are you dining in or taking away? Are you dining in or taking away? Order. Order. I'd like to order a cappuccino. I'd like to order a cappuccino. Barista, barista, the barista made a heart on my latte. The barista made a heart on my latte. Cappuccino, cappuccino. I usually start my day with a cappuccino. I usually start my day with a cappuccino. Latte, latte. A vanilla latte sounds perfect right now. A vanilla latte sounds perfect right now. Espresso, espresso. He ordered a double espresso to wake up. He ordered a double espresso to wake up. Mocha, mocha. If you love chocolate, try the mocha. If you love chocolate, try the mocha. Americano, Americano. Can I have an Americano with no sugar? Can I have an Americano with no sugar? Cream, cream. Would you like some cream in your coffee? Would you like some cream in your coffee? Sugar, sugar. No sugar for me, thanks. No sugar for me, thanks. Receipt, receipt. Can I get the receipt, please? Can I get the receipt, please? Tip, tip. Don't forget to leave a tip for the barista. Don't forget to leave a tip for the barista. Table for two. Table for two. Excuse me, A table for two, please. Excuse me, a table for two, please. Refill, refill. Could I get a refill on my coffee? Could I get a refill on my coffee? A strong coffee, a strong coffee. This coffee is really strong. This coffee is really strong. Mild coffee, mild coffee. I prefer mild coffee in the evening. I prefer mild coffee in the evening. Sweetener, sweetener. Do you have any sweetener? Do you have any sweetener? Iced coffee, iced coffee. It's hot today. Let's get iced coffee. It's hot today. Let's get iced coffee. Pastry, pastry. I'll have a pastry with my coffee. I'll have a pastry with my coffee. Croissants, croissants. The croissants here are freshly baked. The croissants here are freshly baked. Muffin, muffin. Can I get a blueberry muffin, please? Can I get a blueberry muffin, please? Napkin, napkin. Could I have some napkins, please? Could I have some napkin, please? Tray, tray. Put your order on the tray, please. Put your order on the tray, please. Cup holder, cup holder. Can I get a cup holder for these drinks? Can I get a cup holder for these drinks? Cashier, cashier. You can pay at the cashier. You can pay at the cashier. Receipt, receipt. Here's your receipt. Have a nice day. Here's your receipt. Have a nice day. Busy, busy. The cafe is always busy in the morning. The cafe is always busy in the morning. Cozy, cozy. This cafe feels so cozy and relaxing. This cafe feels so cozy and relaxing. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.